Well, despite a positive close on Wall Street, you didn't quite see the Asian markets follow through, and our market started off the week on a fairly tempered note. So you've got 13,286. Of course, no complaints looking at the stellar levels, but it's a flattish open for the markets. Up by about 0.2% for the Sensex as well. It's quiet, but yet again that real resilience and outperformance being witnessed within the broader universe. So you've got the mid and the small cap indices that are holding out quite comfortably by in excess of about 0.6%. In terms of the sectors, well, PSE is leading from the front. You've got media that's doing very well, the PSU banks, infrastructure, FMCG, energy, auto, all of which are up about 0.33% to 1%. IT is taking a bit of a back seat in the finance index too. To the pecking order when it comes to the frontline indices, and what's shining in trade today is clearly those PSEs. So you've got GAIL doing very well, ONGC in the green, something like Adani Ports is rather active. Airtel is upbeat in trade, so at about 502. You've got ICICI Bank, Grasim, Infosys, Cipla, IOC, ITC, as well as Axis Bank, SBI, Tata Motors, NTPC. Those are all some of the interesting movers on the upside in today's trading session. Well, on the flip side then, you've got HDFC Bank down about 1.5%. Kotak is in the red. Nestle, Hindalco, M&M, SBI Life, TCS. Those are some of the losers in today's trading session. Some stocks that are in focus. ONGC is a buzz as ONGC Videsh has made a significant strike of oil on their onshore block in Colombia. You've got Tata Power, which has been awarded letters of intent by the Odisha Electricity Regulatory Commission. NMDC is focus as the government has extended the Donimalai Iron lease after a suspension of nearly 2 years. Adani Ports as well is in focus. That's largely on the back of their total capex plans of about 750 crores. IL&FS Transportation, the company has entered an SPA with Cube Highways to sell their entire shareholding in the Chenani Nashri Tunnelway for about 3,900 crores. You've also got something like ICICI Bank. That stock is in focus on the back of their analyst meet where they spoke about consistent areas of growth in deposit mobilization, analytics, and a granular growth for the bank. So all of these stocks are in focus. Let's focus in on the broader markets as well and check in as to where the real action is. IFCI very upbeat. Indostar, Chalet Hotels is growing by a nearly good 10%. NCC, Sadbhav, something like Ashoka Buildcon, Dishman Carbogen, Central Bank, Bharat Dynamics. Those are some of the buzzers in trade. Whereas on the flip side, Escorts, Astral Poly looks a little bit tempered. Edelweiss, RBL, Torrent Pharma, CG Consumer, Fine Organics, Nesco, DMart, Barmalori. These are some of the losers. A flat start, lots of resilience in the broader markets, but that breadth in favor of the gaining side. That's how we started today.